क्या नाम है भाई तुम्हारा?
अरविंद।
अरविंद मिला है हमें। और कौन, तू कौन है?
जितेंद्र।
जितेंद्र, तू तो हीरो निकला रे। Okay, good morning everyone. So as you know, we are in Pushkar, and so I met someone in Pushkar, this guy Yadu, and he's really helping me with the pictures and some drone shot. We are going to take some drone shot which you'll be able to see soon, like in this video only. And बाकी यार जो व्यू है ना, इतना खूबसूरत हो रहा है ना, मतलब मैं क्या ही बताऊं. Like thank God I came to this place, Savitri Hills only. Savitri temple is there up there. मैं पहले भी वहाँ पे आ चुका हूँ, लेकिन मॉर्निंग में नहीं आया था, मैं शाम को आया था. और मॉर्निंग जो होती है ना यार, इससे खूबसूरत कुछ हो ही नहीं सकती. देखो जस्ट सी. So अभी Yadu is prepping for the drone shot. He got DJI Mavic Mini 2. I had one, I lost two. But this is, he's pro, he's already pro. He's not like me, you know. He's the filmmaker. He's been making a lot of videos, a lot of pictures, and you can follow him on Instagram. What's your Instagram ID?
Yadu Krishna, YADU_KRISHNNA.
Okay. So sun is, the color is going, but still we are ready with a drone shot. Yadu is ready and he's making me ready. देखते हैं. I hope we get a good shots, or at least whatever shots. I'm okay with any shots. You know, even this background will look nice actually. You know. Let's see. I'm thinking we'll get some shots from here to there and from behind. So I'll be standing and drone goes back. So let's see. And we are ready. Okay, are we ready? You want to check the path? No, first take the back one. क्या है? बुम्बाड़ा। बुम्बाड़ा। Nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one. Okay, ready? Ready? Oh yeah, sorry. Did I just bang the... Is that okay?
No,
Once. Yeah. Yeah, I was trying to look straight. Okay, ready? Ready?
Yeah, ready.
Tell me action.
Action.
Oh, what happened? It was you now. Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
So भाई साहब ऐसा है कि ड्रोन शॉट्स ले लिए गए हैं. Yadu, what do you have to say about drone shots? He's shy. He can't speak. He's fine. What are you saying? What are you doing? What are you doing? This? Do this. Do this. Do this again. Okay. He's a secret man who lives in a privacy. Doesn't want to come in the what do you call that?
Limelight.
Limelight. Beautiful, yeah. Such a scenic beauty. That's why, guys, wake up early in the morning and go nearby. If you have hills or beaches or whatever, just do these morning rituals every day, and this will make you rejuvenate yourself and bring peace in your life and harmony and whatever you want. तो भाई काफ़ी सारे शॉट ले लिए गए और ये लोकेशन देख रहे हो ना. क्या यार तू ब्लर क्यों आ जा रहा है? ये पहुंचने की ज़रूरत है. But this is where we were. Now we are heading back. But what footages we got and what pictures we got, you can see my pictures, you know where na? Instagram में. अगर in case you are not following me on Instagram, go and follow it. The ID is iamgaj_ANAN. So now we are heading back. Yadu is going back, and I'm also going back. But what a fruitful day. So we are heading to one different location, and we hope we get some footage. We have only 2 hours. Yadu, we have only 2 hours. So we have to finish everything in 2 hours, because we'll take another 30 minutes to transfer the data, I guess. So what time you have to leave? Oh, by 1. Oh no. What time is your bus? By the way, Yadu is from Kerala. Beautiful Thrissur. So maybe if I go to Kerala next time, I'll meet this guy in Kerala and he can show me around. Maybe not. It's up to him. Maybe he's too busy guy, no? When he's back to Kerala. What do you have to say?
No.
Are you busy guy?
Yeah?
Are you busy guy? मैं मुंबई से. तुम कहाँ से हो?
मैं तो यहीं के हैं.
यहीं के हो? तो अभी वो यदू गया है उधर पे, वो बच्चे लोग हैं, उनका शॉट लेने गया. पहले he supposed to take my shot, but then he saw the small kids playing, so he took their shot. और देखो, we have a friend.
हेलो.
क्या नाम है भाई तुम्हारा?
अरविंद.
अरविंद मिला है हमें। और कौन, तू कौन है?
जितेंद्र।
जितेंद्र, तू तो हीरो निकला रे। और भी बच्चे लोग हैं यहाँ पे, 2 थे। तो अभी यहीं पे चिल कर रहे हैं। सो वी आर प्लानिंग टू टेक अ शॉट, वी आर प्लानिंग टू टेक दिस बाइक ओवर हियर so he can take some nice shot. Let's see, I mean let's see, today's will be more of creative shot, you know, है ना?